Welcome back, everyone. Mr. Nicey Crypto. I'm your host, Mr. Pete Nicey. Congratulations to all you guys out there that took that Doge GF trade we were talking about yesterday. I think it went up like 40% today, so big shout out to the Doge GF community. Much wow. Very stoked to be representing them. Also, let's talk about the Bitcoin markets. Before we get into that, just a quick disclaimer. Nothing on this video is financial advice. It's all for informational and entertainment purposes only. Before we start talking about Bitcoin and the markets for a second, I just want you guys to have a look around. I'm actually in Japan right now, over here by the rice fields, or what were the rice fields about a week ago. Absolutely beautiful out here. So if you guys haven't made it out to Japan yet, make sure you put it on your bucket list. Just a great place to visit, and if you love sushi, it's definitely the place to be. So Bitcoin, looking at the daily, it is looking like we're due for a little bit of a pullback here coming in the next week or so. I would imagine we're going to get close to all-time highs again, around 65 grand, and probably have a nice little pullback back to the current levels, or even down to 55K. So be on the lookout for that. That's pretty much a historical thing in October. It's reoccurring. We always have a nice little pullback, which is actually pretty healthy for the market. So, keep some money on the sidelines, get ready to buy another dip perhaps. Also zooming out, I always like to look at the Williams percentage R. It's one of my favorite indicators when looking at the charts, and it tends to tell us a good story about what Bitcoin's doing. And it likes to rhyme a lot in history when you look at this indicator, and from what I'm seeing on the long-term time frames is that we're going to be going into overbought territory, which is usually a bad thing. But with Bitcoin, when we're in a bull cycle, it's actually one of the most bullish things that happens, because that usually indicates that it's being bought up so much, and most of that Bitcoin's being moved off exchanges. So let's talk about the top of the markets too. Are we going to set a new all-time high and have a major crash into a 2-year long bear cycle? Guys, I don't think so. Not this time around. We got governments involved. We got big billionaires, sitting there ready to buy up dips. So, of course, there will be some market corrections. There may even be a little mini bear market. If you look back to what happened I think right after May, throughout the summer, I like to call that a little mini bear market. So I always say look for the same thing to happen. Anyways, guys, that's all I really have for you today. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and peace out.